Ndebele was living with his people in the Bhaca and Hlubi territory south of the Drakensberg Mountains. This area was called uKhahlamba. The capital village in this area was known as Ado-Ndlela. Chief Ndebele had separated from the bigger Mbo clan and formed his own reign over his people, who eventually chose his name as the name of their nation. The southern Ndebele people's history can be traced back to Ndebele, who fathered Langa. Langa begot Mtungwe, not to be confused with Khumalo Mtungwa, who is the son of Mpulazi. Mtungwe begot Jonono. Jonono begot Nanasi. Nanasi begot Mafana. Mafana begot Mhlanga and Liboko. And Mhlanga begot Musi.